The Ice Age gripped the Earth, a world of endless white stretching to the farthest horizon.
Beneath the giant's feet, the Earth trembled with each heavy, majestic stride.
The woolly mammoth emerged from the blizzard, the most wondrous creature. They were not merely animals, but a biological masterpiece, perfectly adapted to the most brutal cold. The thick outer coat of guard hairs shielded against the bone-cutting cold of the Arctic winter. Beneath lay the fine underwool, trapping precious body warmth through the most ferocious blizzards. A 10-centimeter fat layer beneath the skin served as both an energy reserve and perfect insulation. The tiny ears were a brilliant evolutionary solution to minimize body heat loss in extreme cold.
Enormous curved tusks served not only for defense but as daily tools to clear snow and find food.
Tusks could reach 4 meters in length, recording a lifetime of growth within each annual ring.
Science revealed that mammoth hemoglobin had mutated to function in extreme sub-zero temperature.
This mechanism allowed oxygen to circulate to the extremities even when temperatures plunged below freezing. Fat cells acted as biological furnaces, burning calories to generate tremendous body heat. Their large brains held complex memories of water sources and grazing lands across vast migration routes.
A single call traveled kilometers, binding the members of the matriarchal family in unbreakable bond. The female matriarch led the herd, protecting the young calves from the hungry, relentless wolf packs.
They spent up to 16 hours each day consuming dry grasses and shrubs across the vast open tundra.
In the brief Arctic summer, mammoths stockpiled nutrition to face the long, brutal winter ahead. The flexible trunk could break through thick ice to find fresh water sources hidden beneath the ground. Prehistoric hunters tracked mammoth footprints through the snow, creating life and death encounters.
Were immortalized on cave walls with all the reverence and deep admiration of their observers.
Mammoth bones framed the dwellings of early humans, and their fur was woven into warming clothing.
Humans and mammoths shared a world filled with constant and ever-present dangers on all sides.
1,000 years ago, climate change began transforming the mammoth steppe into warm, dense forest.
Habitat shrank rapidly as traditional food sources vanished and herd populations plummeted sharply.
The last individuals were stranded on isolated islands in the middle of a boundless, endless ocean. On Wrangel Island, the loss of genetic diversity led to the most painful and tragic of endings. 4,000 years ago, the last giant fell, ending a glorious and magnificent era forever.
Deep in Siberia's permafrost, mammoth carcasses remained astonishingly intact after thousands of years. Scientists discovered flesh, fur, and even blood still in liquid form, perfectly preserved.
The complete genome sequence was decoded, opening a doorway to reverse the long course of history. The special gene mutations giving mammoths their extraordinary cold resistance were finally revealed.
Ambitious projects are now working to bring the mammoth back, using the most advanced gene editing technology.
By integrating mammoth DNA into Asian elephant cells, an entirely new organism is taking shape in the lab.
The goal is not merely a single specimen, but the full restoration of the ancient Ice Age ecosystem. Mammoths will help combat climate change by compacting snow and protecting the vital frozen ground. One day, not far away, the trumpet of the mammoth will echo once again across the wild
We
Arctic.
stand at the threshold of a biological revolution, full of both challenge and extraordinary promise.
The woolly mammoth will forever remain a symbol of nature's indestructible power to survive and endure.